time lunchbox is about planning, being prepared and organised. And the best things you can do is take advantage of the weekends to plan for lunchboxes the week ahead. Freezer-friendly food really saves you time during the week. So some examples could be making up some fruit or savoury muffins, some meat products such as chicken nuggets, mini meatballs or quiche. And you can grab those frozen in the morning, put them in their lunchbox, and they'll be ready to eat and defrosted by lunchtime. So what we can do is we can chop up some carrots, celery, cucumber, have some baby vegetables on hand such as your cherry tomatoes, your baby cucumbers and snow peas. And then if they're ready to go, children can pick and mix their own little vegetable mix that they can put in their own lunchbox the morning of going to school. Have longer life foods on hand for the end of the week. That can include tinned products such as tinned vegetables, including your little baby corn spears, or legumes such as chickpeas or 5-bean mix. Tinned fruit is fine, and also our whole grain crackers and cereal products.